Well, good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I am a crypto trader, and I trade on the foreign exchange as well. Here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hey, welcome. Glad you're here. There's nobody out here like this channel where we give you wave structure updates from Elliott Wave standpoint. So like, subscribe, share the video. Trust me, you're going to love it, I'm sure. All right, guys, I have been giddy as a school mouse the last couple of days. Just is that even a phrase? I don't even know. But I've been moon boyish. I've been bullish since the bottom of this correction here for Ethereum and Bitcoin, guys. There is only one structure in the way of confirming a big bull move. This wave, what we've been expecting, guys, that's going to surpass even your expectations. Only one structure in the way of that. I want to show you what that is. If we can break through that obstacle, guys, there are clear skies ahead for Bitcoin. So let's jump into the market. Don't forget, this isn't a financial advice. Never intended to be that. Just showing you how I look at the market and expressing my opinions only. Not telling you how to spend your money. Never do that. I'm going to show you how I'm spending mine, though. And right now, I am long in Ethereum, particularly. I'm all in on Ethereum. I love the chart. But we're going to look at Bitcoin first. Then we'll look at Ethereum. And if you'll stick around to the end, I might take a peek at XLM, which is getting some exciting just news there coming out that came out yesterday or today that government contracts are picking up a particular coin that uses XLM. So I want to look at that with you if you stick around. All right, let's look into the market, guys. All right, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. Some beautiful things on this 4-hour chart I'd like to just point out. Okay, let me see if I can remove all my drawings. There we go. First things first. Guys, my favorite indicator in all the market is what we call hidden bullish divergence, okay, or hidden divergence, where you have the price making higher lows while RSI is making lower lows there, okay? In other words, the RSI is resetting on the 4-hour chart in particular. That's beautiful, whereas price is unable to be driven down as low. So we have 4-hour divergence right there. It's hidden. That's hidden bullish. That's point number one. That's point number one to the upside. Okay, what's point number two? Point number two, guys, we got a nice impulse off the bottom there with a 3-wave pullback. Now, the structures there are. Basically, this could simply be a 1, 2. If I just go ahead and draw this 3, 4, 5, guys, that's getting us up to 50,000 pretty easy. 52,000, 54,000 in that ballpark with no problems, guys. If I just kind of drew that, that kind of looks about the way it should form. But what else could be in the chart, guys? That's what I'm looking at. It looks gorgeous. It looks beautiful, and that's what I'm trading for now. But I'm watching this area on the chart. I'm going to show you what I'm watching and tell you why I'm watching. There's one market maker shenanigan that could take place, and what it would be is we call it a flat. Basically, we talked about that many times, where we have this 3-wave move there. Now this is looking like right now a 3-wave move. And if this 3-wave move comes up to the 90% or higher, guys, up in this range here, then what we could get is a really fast 5-wave structure that comes down. It'll be similar to that, maybe even bigger than that. But it'll be a 5-wave structure that'll really, really get everybody bearish. I mean, everybody and their brother is going to get bearish on that. But not us, because we know the structure. We're looking at a 3-wave, a 3-wave, and a 5-wave, guys. And after that, it is moon time, okay? So that's the structure that I'm watching for. That's the only obstacle for this wave to head on up. So what we're looking at here, guys, is a potential 1, 2, and then we're in the middle of the 3rd wave on the way up. That's possible, but we have to be on guard for this to be just a 3-wave move. Let me give you some targets here. Right now we just came and hit the 127 extension, and we experienced some resistance there. We got a little bit of a move down. We're going to look at that in just a minute and say, is there any evidence for continuation, or is this going down from here? So we'll look at that in just a minute. But we want to watch, guys, this 1618 fib. If price gets up here, guys, and and breaks through the 1618 and holds up there, guys, we're going to continue going up. However, we could get up here and just wick around for a little bit and then reject off of that. And that would be a basic 3-wave move up to the extended kind of to the 1618, and then we'd expect a 5-wave move down to the downside after that. I have the sneaking suspicion that my mic isn't on. It is on. We're good to go. I'm going to keep rocking. Okay, so that would be a large flat here, guys, and that would kind of extend this correction out a little bit, take a little extra time, give the bulls more time to buy at these levels because they're going to be taking it up to $50,000 and $60,000 in the near future. Okay, so guys, this bear is kind of pretty bullish right now. If you can tell, guys, the chart is just kind of screaming bull to me right now. So let's look at this wave here and see if there's any evidence for it going, continuing up, or is it going to reverse here? Okay, so let's go down to the, I don't know, the 5-minute chart, maybe 50. Yeah, 5-minute chart's great. So we just had a pullback just in the market. I don't know, when you get these kind of pullbacks, everybody gets scared and flustered and say, what's going on? Not us who trade Elliott wave, because we just basically, when this wave is playing out, all we do is we simply pull the fibs on it. And we watch price around these levels. We watch the 1-to-1 extension, we watch the 127 extension, and we watch the 1618. And right now, guys, we're getting a strong bounce off the 1618. That doesn't mean we're not going to get continuation, so it could go down. We're on guard for that. We're on guard for a move to the downside. We understand that. We have stops in place to protect our profits up to this point, because we're in major profit right now, 10 to 15%, most of us who are trading. I've been adding to my position as it's been going up, and so my percentage, I guess, isn't quite as high as it was before I started adding to the position, but that's okay. So anyway, we have what we're looking for here is a 3-wave move. It came to the 1618 extension. We got a nice bounce off of that, and everything counts pretty nicely as an ABC correction. So, or WXY, yeah, it's an ABC actually. ABC flat looks done to me, guys. The RSI is looking done. We got hidden bullish divergence here. You can see right here where the price is going up while RSI is going down. That's bullish divergence. RSI is reset and it's ready to rock to the upside again, most likely. So that's the way it's looking on the 5-minute chart. So this looks like a 3-wave move, guys. That would imply after that we're going to get a 5-wave impulse following it. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at for now. Let's look at the very small time frame and look at the type of wave that came off the bottom and see if there's any evidence in that structure for it going up or down for now. All right, so that's a pretty difficult structure right there, but I would basically say that this looks like a 5-wave move here, even though I can't really see the one very well. It looks like a 5-wave move. It looks like we're going to get a retest to the bottom. The other option is we got a 3-wave move here. We're going to get one more low right in this region, and it's going to wick up again. So there's a couple of things I'm watching here. So this could come down here, break this low, and then wick, and then reject. That could be a 3-wave move right there. So yeah, the structure there is not great. Ethereum's structure off the bottom is a lot better. We've got a nice 5-wave, diagonal there, which looks a lot better than Bitcoin's. I expect a 3-wave move off of that, and then we continue on. To the upside. So and that's my trade setup, guys. There, when we hit a corrective fibs with the hidden divergence there, we get a impulse off the bottom with a 3-wave pullback. That's about a high probability as you get for the upside. It doesn't mean it definitely has to go up. We're just talking high probability, low risk trade setups that we trade in the Discord, and that from Elliott Wave perspective. All right, so that's the way we're looking, guys. Guys, looking pretty good to me. Still to the upside. Looking at Ethereum, same idea. Got a 3-wave move. Got a 3-wave move here. We got the hidden bull divergence in the RSI. We came to the 1618 and we wicked, and so we're looking really good. Looking really good right there. We just wicked right off the 1618 and you had a nice bounce there with an impulse off the bottom. So it's looking good to me, guys. That's the way I'm thinking, guys. I'm still pretty bullish, but we have to watch out for the flat scenario that I just talked about. Okay. In other words, we have off the top a 3-wave move, okay, in both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then this could simply be a 3-wave move. This might be 1, 2, 3, 4. We might just get one more wave to the upside. Okay, it's going to come up to this region somewhere. Could break the top if it gets extended, but it's going to come up to this region and then tank in 5 waves down. And that's the only structure, guys, that this market can make now. That's just going to keep me from saying we're going straight up to 50,000 for now. Okay, so this is a bullish structure. A bear structure that we're watching for intermediate time frames for another move to the downside. Okay, so watch out for that shape, guys, because guys, it's up or down as always. I don't know what's going to happen. I can't tell you what's happening. I can only read the chart, read the market, and then show you the wave structures that I'm seeing and the potential wave structures that could come based upon what's in the chart at this moment. That information might change. The more information that comes in, that might become a more precise prediction or more precise guess. It might narrow out some options, basically, if something gets invalidated. And that's the kind of thing you'll get in the Discord, guys. You'll get up to the minute information once the market does what it's doing. I put charts. We go live when we need to, and we just offer the information as we need it, so we can trade this market wave by wave, guys. I'm only able to do a video a day if I get that done in YouTube. I'm really trying hard for you guys. I really am. But anyway, with that being said, if you guys want more up to date, guys, the Discord gets 2 lives a day, plus they get chart updates and just access to me in the Discord throughout the day. So it's really worth the small subscription fee. The monthly support through Patreon, basically, it's really worth the very small amount that you pay to get that. You'll get more than your money's worth there, I promise you, because God asked us to do everything excellently, and I want to make sure you get your money's worth out of it. Okay, so I work very hard. You guys, sacrifice for me with a gift, and I sacrifice for you with my energy and efforts, and I thank you for it. So with that being said, invite you into the Discord. Check out the Patreon link in the description, and you'll find exactly how to get into the Discord. We'll get you in as fast as we can. Got a live coming up here in just about an hour. So anyway. All right, guys, there it is. That's what we're looking at. So we're looking for, there's 2. Right now, I'm hoping that we just go straight up. But there's part of me that says, you know what, I wouldn't mind a flat here. Okay, just a 3-wave move up here that kind of turns around and comes down pretty volatilely, 5 waves, because then we're going to be heading up, and so that's another buy zone here. So we bought down here, rode it up, made our profit. We're going to short that sucker if it comes, if it shows itself to be true, and make the money on the way down, and then we're going to make that money on the way up. So I wouldn't mind the flat scenario either. Either way, guys, we are in a bull market, and this thing is going. I do not see it coming down anytime soon with any kind of real depth. We might get some pullbacks. This might become a more complex pullback, but guys, I'm kind of a moon boy right now, and that's a pretty crazy feeling for me because I've been a bear so long. But this market is, I try to read the chart and be as honest as I can with what the chart is saying and with reality, not with any kind of fanfare or clickbait or just moon boy sentiment, guys. I'm just like, the chart is bullish. Okay, all the evidence on the chart is saying bullish, but again, that scenario that I just mentioned is very, very likely. So watch out for that flat here. So right now we've hit the 1-to-1 extension off of Ethereum. We got the 127 at $12.99, and we could come up and break the top at the 1618 and still come down. So we're gonna have to watch the RSI. We're gonna watch clues within the price action to kind of get an idea of where it's headed. So with that being said, guys, be careful, trade safe. Don't just trade my ideas. Don't trade that flat out of the blue thinking it's definitely going to happen. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. It might not, but it is a likely structure. You can see how the market makers would get everybody bullish. Maybe even if they break the top, they take out the stops from the shorters. They got breakout traders with long orders up here. They grab all that liquidity and boom, 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 boom. They take it down. I can totally see that play. And then once they screw up all the longs here, and then the shorts are in, they come down here grab the liquidity down here from the stop losses from those going long here, and then they just take it up, and they grab the liquidity up here, grab the liquidity up there, down there, and they're on their way. Okay, and that's what we call a whipsaw, guys. That is the shape of a market. That is the shape of the market. Sideways, down, up, down, and here we go. Okay, and the market likes to whipsaw you. So be careful, guys. Trade safe. If you need some help trading and treading around in these waters, feel free to join the Discord. Even if you don't want to trade so much, you just want to have access to regular information. The subscription price is really, really tiny for that. So, all right, y'all have a great day. There's a quick update for you. Wanted to make sure I got a video out to you today. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Don't forget to share the love, guys. Share the love.